Hi kids, let's learn about air transport. Blimp. This is Blimp. Airplane. This is Airplane. Hot air balloon. This is hot air balloon. Helicopter. This is helicopter. Rocket. This is rocket. Waterplane. This is waterplane. Passenger plane. This is passenger plane. Jet plane. This is jet plane. Cargo plane. This is cargo plane. Jet fighter. This is jet fighter. Propeller plane. This is propeller plane. Biplane. This is biplane. Seaplane. This is seaplane. Jumbo plane. This is jumbo plane. Private jet. This is private jet. Amphibian aircraft. This is amphibian aircraft. Glider. This is glider. Drone. This is drone. Shuttle. This is shuttle. Hang glider. This is hang glider. Airliner. This is airliner. Gyroplane. This is gyroplane. Business jet. This is business jet. Military transport aircraft. Military helicopter. This is military helicopter. Light aircraft. This is light aircraft. Paratrike. This is paratrike. Fire aircraft. This is fire aircraft. Sports plane. This is sports plane. Agricultural aircraft. This is agricultural aircraft. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Kiddo Kids Kidding.